Hey everyone, I'm Joe, part of the amazing team here at Affordable Comfort. And if you're shopping for a gas furnace, you've probably noticed there are a lot of options these days. We'll break these things down, understand what these terms mean, and help you make a decision that's best for you and your family. The other incredibly important factor to keep in mind when choosing the furnace that's right for your home is the size or the BTU output of the furnace. Choosing the right furnace size is important because if we are to oversize the furnace, it means that the furnace will actually heat the home too quickly, and the unit will be constantly turning on and off, creating wear on the unit and also meaning that the heat doesn't have time to properly disperse throughout the home. On the other side of things, if we go too small, we run into the issue where the furnace on those cold winter days may not be able to keep up with the demand. That's why it's super important that we get to that sweet spot where the furnace is the perfect size to evenly distribute heat throughout the home, making sure that it's not too big and overheating and also not too small that it can't keep up. So what does this mean for you? It means the furnace will have fewer breakdowns and that you'll be able to enjoy the heat from that furnace as long as possible. Ultimately, it's about peace of mind, making sure that the furnace you choose is right for you and your home. Thank you for considering Affordable Comfort for your heating needs. We're here to make the process as easy and stress-free as possible. Contact us today and let one of our comfort advisors walk you through each of these steps to choose the perfect furnace for your home. From everyone at Affordable Comfort, have a great day.